If you want to delete an account on the Claude by Anthropic app, this video will walk you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and confidently. Before we begin, just a quick note. Deleting your account is usually permanent, so make sure you really want to remove it before you confirm. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple app tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Claude app on your device. Or if you're using a browser, sign into your Claude account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon or your name. This is usually located in the top corner or inside the main menu, depending on the device you're using. Tap or click on it to open your account options. From there, find and select Settings. This is where Claude keeps the main account and app preferences. Inside Settings, look for the Account section and open it. This section should contain the options related to your login and account management. Now scroll or look for the Delete Account option and tap it. Claude will likely show you a warning message explaining what happens when you delete your account. Take a moment to read that carefully, because once the account is deleted, your data may no longer be recoverable. If you're sure you want to continue, confirm your choice by clicking I understand. That confirmation tells the app that you accept the deletion and want to move forward. After that, follow any final prompts on the screen to complete the process. And that's it. Your Claude account deletion request should now be processed. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.